Hey everyone, I'm Erica from Rick's Review Hub and welcome back to the channel. If you're sick of chasing dust bunnies, dealing with pet hair tangles, or constantly emptying a tiny vacuum bin, then this could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Today we're diving into the eufy L60 robot vacuum with self-empty station. This smart little robot packs 5,000 pascals of powerful suction, laser navigation for smart mapping, and up to 60 days of hands-free cleaning thanks to its self-emptying station. It handles hair like a pro with detangling tech, and it's perfect for busy homes with pets or just everyday messes. Head to Amazon using the link in the description to check it out. Trust me, this is one of the best budget self-emptying robot vacuums right now. Most importantly, click that referral link in the video description to grab yours and support the channel at no extra cost to you. Let's break down the key features. It delivers ultra-strong 5,000 pascal suction that picks up hair, crumbs, dust, and debris in one pass on hard floors, tile, and medium pile carpets. The iPath laser navigation scans your home precisely with LiDAR, creating accurate maps for efficient cleaning paths. No random bumping around. The customizable AI Map 2.0 app lets you pick specific rooms, set no-go zones, and even handle multi-floor homes. The standout is the self-empty station with a 2.5-litre dust bag that holds up to 60 days of dirt. And it has hair detangling technology to slice through wrapped hair so you rarely clean the brush manually. Battery loss up to 120 minutes on standard mode, plenty for most homes, and it auto-docks and empties itself. Setup is straightforward. Place the station, download the app, let it map, and you're good to go. It works with Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control too. In real use, this thing shines for pet owners and anyone hating maintenance. It glides under furniture, handles edges well with its side brush, and the suction is impressive for the price. Reviewers rave about how it tackles pet hair without clogging. The self-emptying is quiet compared to some, and the detangling feature really cuts down on hassle. Navigation is efficient once mapped, covering rooms systematically. Pros and cons to keep it honest. Pros: super strong suction for hair and debris, excellent detangling tech for low maintenance, up to 60 days hands-free with the big dust bag, precise laser mapping and app customization, great value especially on sale, quiet during normal cleaning, and solid battery life. Many say it outperforms pricier models for everyday use. Cons: no mopping function if you want that too, occasional mapping hiccups in super complex layouts, self-empty might be a bit noisy for some, and it can get stuck on cords or high thresholds if not cleared. But for most homes, the pros win big time. My recommendation? Yes, 100%. Grab the eufy L60 with self-empty station if you want powerful, low-maintenance robot vacuuming without breaking the bank. It's ideal for pet parents, busy folks, or anyone wanting cleaner floors with almost zero effort. If these honest robot vacuum reviews are helping you find the right gear, hit subscribe for more. And click the affiliate link in the description. It gets you the best deal and keeps the channel running strong. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks so much for watching. If this sold you on easier cleaning, give it a like, share with a friend who needs it, or subscribe. See you next time.